What's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today, 65 Mustang RESTOMOD. We just finished Gen 3 Coyote Swap, 10-speed auto, ESS Supercharger. This car came out sick. Here's what's going to happen. We're going to take it in the shop. We're going to look at the engine compartment on the dyno. We're going to watch a dyno pull running E85. Numbers came out awesome. Then we'll get it on the lift, look underneath. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer them. Subscribe, notify, stay up to date. Let's go check it out. All right, something before we go down and look at the engine compartment. This car is sick. This is going to be the highlights. We're going to look at some of the major components of this build, but there's a lot going on. We are located in Indiana. Let me ask that. Open that description. I'll put our exact address. Doug, come down here and take a look. 65 Stang, Gen 3 Coyote, ESS Supercharger, 4 return style fuel system because we're running 85. We do ID 1050 injectors. Generally with that, 10-speed auto. This car came out sick. So you might be wondering, how do you make that fit? This car came in, already had a Fox body fuel injected engine in it. So we had taken that out, did this. The strut tower area has been, removed. Bring back because it's got coilovers now. So this buys you a lot of room. It has a set of Doug's headers, CNR radiator. That's kind of what's happening up here, but I love it. Check out the dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. DynoJet, SAE, rear wheel horsepower, 745, peaking at 7,700 RPM, torque 526, peaking at 7,000. We are running 12.5 pounds of boost on this peak. Now, those are awesome numbers. This car is so sweet and it's light. It's fast on the street. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out of here, we're gonna put it on a lift, get Dom underneath it to tell you everything we did underneath because we're talking Willwoods. We're talking a massive conversion. Check this out. Okay, before I put this on the lift, I want to show you something on the interior. So completely custom. We did all this. So check it out. You have your push button gear selection up there where the radio normally is, but we have the giant touch screen for the killer aftermarket stereo, and that does have backup camera. We typically use Dakota Digital for most of the gauges on our RESTOMODs. Awesome company. They come out great. Everything, carpet, seats, door panels, everything aftermarket. Everything is awesome. The interior looks great. Now, let's go look underneath. All right, we got the 65 up in there. I have Dom with me. This is gonna be awesome because Dom built this car. It came out so good. I wanted to take you through, talk the highlights, talk a little bit about underneath, definitely show the Willwoods, tell you some of the things we did underneath this car. I'm gonna leave it over to Dom. Take away.
What's up, guys? So there's a lot going on under this car. As you know, these cars are small, not a lot of space. We do have Willwood brakes to stop the car. Moving front to back, there's all kinds of stuff going on under the hood. Most of it's on the bottom side, so you don't see much on the top. We got custom intercooler piping for our water to air intercooler. We did that due to space. The car does have heat and AC. This entire suspension kit is TCI, total cost involved, Mustang torque arm suspension. It was on the car when it came in, but we did have to modify quite a bit of it to fit the Detroit Speed mini tub kit. As they touched on earlier, Doug's headers, custom exhaust with QTP cutouts, loud if you want it to be. We do have a power stop, e-stop. It's an electric brake, parking brake, drive shaft shop, aluminum drive shaft, custom made. We did go with Borla S-type mufflers. It's got a nice rumble to it, but it's not too loud. Mosier rear end, third member axles, the whole 9 yards, all custom built. Kept the Ride Tech coilovers. Really just a lot of cool stuff going on under this car.
So there you have it. All right, that's totally highlights. I mean, these cars take like a year to build or longer. So I know this was a short video. We just wanted to hit a little bit on the highlights. We are in Indiana. you have maybe a resto mod you want built, shoot us an email, quote@brenspeed.com. We're happy to tell you. And hey, we are in Indiana, like I said, so we can transport if you're not from around here. That happens all the time. That's all for today. Subscribe, notify, stay up to date. Thanks for watching.